Hi, my name is Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to add a free chat widget to your website. Not only I'm going to show you how to add a free chat widget, that widget is going to be omni-channel. By omni-channel, I mean in addition to your website chat, you can also support it to WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger at the same time. And of course, you can start all of these for free and upgrade later. I'm going to show you how. Before we dive in, you must have Googled and try to find that perfect chat widget solution for your website for a long time. It's very painful because everybody has different pricing and all the plan looks perfect, but you're not sure if it's for you. So we actually did the research and found there are only 3 solutions where you can get started for free. These are the 3 solutions on the market right now. First is Talk2. You can install Talk2 for free and upgrade it later. It has some limitations. The biggest one being that it's not omni-channel. So if you add it to your website, you cannot support it and easily expand it to WhatsApp and other channels at the same time. The second one is SeaChat, which is where we're going to dive in today. SeaChat, you can use it for omni-channel, Facebook Messenger, your website, WhatsApp, and even Line. If you are from Asia, you might use a lot of Line. And the chat widget looks like this. You can access all the different channels and chat all in a single widget menu. So this is pretty nice. The third one is a long-time player called FreshChat. FreshChat has been offering chat widget for free for a long time, but recently we are seeing they've been pulling back on their offering. They used to have more agent. I believe they used to have 10 agents. Now they are scaling that back down to fewer agents. And there are some limitation in terms of chat history export, etc. Before you do something, you need to know why are you doing this, right? I imagine you're a business owner. You're thinking you need a chat, which is very standard for all of business right now. Every business has a website and they need a chat widget for their website to get started. They use it to provide customer service, capture new incoming leads, book appointment, just communicate with your customers or new customers in general. And you might be very busy managing all the different channels only to realize there are more to manage. We can help you with that. Web chat is one thing, but you might have a Facebook page, you might have a WhatsApp account. Later on, when you want to scale, you might want to do text messaging and phone calls. I will show you SeaChat, and you can use it for free and then manually respond to all your customer inquiries by yourself. But you need to give yourself a longer term plan, which is when you need to scale, how are you going to expand it? AI is the solution here. You can use AI to automatically respond to all the incoming queries. You can even use AI to answer phone calls from your customers. So today, let's not get too complicated. Today, I'm just gonna show you how to start chatting with your customer for free by yourself. So it's very easy. Go to chat.seasalt.ai. We don't have any hidden costs. Today, I say it's free. If you use manual chat, which is you yourself responding to customer, it will be free until you need to upgrade. Flexibility, that's another big thing we offer. If you turn on the AI, that meaning using AI to automatically respond to your chat, it is only until then you will start paying us. And we even offer you a 100 free AI responses, so you can try it out. If you don't need it, you can fall back to the free tier, which is manually responding to your customer. And we offer budget control, and I just mentioned like you are gonna manage a lot of different channels, so you can build your agent once and use it on different channels, all inside SeaChat. So once you come to SeaChat, you can feel free to create a free account and then get going. Let me just sign in. So here is the SeaChat interface after you sign in. We have a lot of AI features, but you don't have to use it until you're ready. All you need to do to enable the free chat mode is to click here, conversational handling mode, and click on human agent only, and then click save. By doing that, you are only allowing yourself to answer to all the incoming queries from your customers. AI cannot respond. Since AI is not responding, you are not getting charged for any of the AI responses. So let's go ahead and try. If you click on this test AI agent, you can start chatting. See, nothing is happening here because we are only allowing manual response from yourself. And you can come here as the business. You can respond to the chat here by yourself. Hi, SeaChat is a chat widget provider. If you want to install this chat widget to your website, just go to Channels, Web Chat widget here, and you can customize it however you want, and then add it to your website. I won't go into details there. You are welcome to try out or visit our wiki, which is wiki.seasalt.ai, and we offer tutorials on how to configure this chat widget, which is very cute. It looks like this at the bottom right here, and so that's it. Okay, so that's my quick demo. My biggest advice is for you to lay out a good foundation and then grow your business and scale your digital solution as you scale. SeaChat is a great solution, and we are determined to grow with your business. Thank you very much for watching.